Melissa and Doug PAW Patrol Craft Kit In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 1695 ratings and 96 reviews. 95% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 1% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said it is fun. I got this set for my kids' Christmas gift. They had fun painting and spent hours on it. The paint is a bit hard to get on, so make sure you paint it multiple times.
Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Cute but broke easily. They are great for any Paw Patrol fan. However, they are easy to break. We have already had to glue 2 of the heads back on. That's it.